Then she told me,
Jojo never made it. Jojo never made it to Darwin. Jojo never made it. Jojo never made it to Darwin. I said, Tracy, heard you listen. This is Christmas. Hey, don't you go. Don't you go. She said, David, believe me, I wouldn't miss this for the world. I got to blow. I got to blow.
she said again,
Jojo